In very disturbing news, the Newsday editor, Mr. Blessed Mhlanga, house has been vandalized and valuables has been stolen. And this is not the first time happening. In August, he lost some of his dogs, and after losing some of his dogs, he said he was going to beef up security. But in this tweet, he has indicated that he has lost yet another set of valuables at his house. While some others are speculating that these might not be normal thieves, or some are the people that do not like the stance of Dhara Blessed Mhlanga, and they are there, out there to revenge him. What do you make of the spat of thievery and what is going on around Harare and other surrounding areas? We are seeing a rise of abirwa. Is there anything to do with the drought? Is this anything to do with unemployment? Does unemployment lead to all this? Why is it that in South Africa there is a lot of this, yet if you look at their employment rate is much higher than us Zimbabweans? Can we blame on unemployment, or this is just a normal way of life whereby you meet these mishaps that are like what Dhara Blessed Mhlanga is going through? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments.